So, when an object has potential energy, that means that it can gain kinetic energy. It's not just stuck with potential energy. And the more potential energy an object loses, the more kinetic energy it gains. So as one goes up, the other goes down. Let's look at an example. If a rock held in the air has 1,000 joules of potential energy and it is dropped, how much kinetic energy will it have the instant before it hits the ground? So that second before it hits the ground, it has the maximum amount of kinetic energy because it's traveling at its fastest. So here it's 1,000 joules of potential. And right here, if the ground is right here, that instant before it hits the ground, it has 1,000 joules of kinetic. As it falls, it's gradually being converted. And it doesn't happen all at once. So about right here, halfway through, it's going to have 500 joules of kinetic and 500 joules of potential as it's going through the process. The same thing can happen the other way. If something's thrown upwards, it loses its kinetic energy as it slows down and gains potential due to its new height. Imagine you throw a ball straight up in the air, giving it 1,000 joules of kinetic energy. It rises and then falls back to the ground. At what point does it have the most potential energy, and how much does it have? Think about it for a second. At this very top point, right before the rock starts to fall back down, it has its most potential energy for a split second maybe, and there it has 1,000 joules of potential energy.